In the pursuit of driving world development, light up the brilliant energy light. In the indulging pursuit of a green future, make travel beautiful, empowering every collaboration. This is the ultimate brilliance and creation of green energy. Xupai. With the world's benchmark of new energy quality, we will work together to create China's glory. Depositing prosperity in time, accumulating strength in striving. Over the past 20 years, in the process of continuous struggle and progress, we have founded a high-tech enterprise specializing in battery research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service, casting an extraordinary industry height. As a well-known global best-selling brand of long-life batteries, every step of perseverance leads us to explore new horizons. Excellent qualifications and sound management system, laying a solid foundation for development. We have 4 major strategic development bases, deeply rooted in China, and global layout. More than 5,000 people from Xupai working together to achieve success, with a production value of over 9 billion yuan, leading the industry. With the extensive application of leading intelligent devices in the industry, creating extraordinary intelligent manufacturing, making every detail of production more environmentally friendly, high quality, and perfect, achieving the ultimate improvement of production efficiency and product stability. Innovative technology and exquisite craftsmanship enable every battery to embody outstanding quality. Here gathers the power of technology and innovation, as well as top elite talents. Build an advanced energy research hall in China. With each shining development patent, we strive to uphold the exemplary role of technological pioneers. The footsteps of outstanding progress have linked the shining trajectory of Xupai's development, with the shining light all the way, illuminating the climb to higher heights. Lean quality and extremely exquisite, every product is the inheritance of ultimate craftsmanship. In every scenario driven by beautiful electric energy, Xupai's series of products such as power batteries, lithium batteries, energy storage batteries, communication batteries, UPS batteries, starting batteries, start-stop batteries, continuously bring stunning performance to various industries. Xupai has mastered the core manufacturing technology of environmentally friendly, long-lasting, and high-energy battery production, leading the development of the industry with meticulous quality control and environmental factoring. The product has a long service life, stable performance, and good after-sales service. It stands out among numerous rigorous inspections, both domestically and internationally, continuously creating maximum value for you. Today, from China to international markets such as Asia, Europe, America, and Africa, high-quality Xupai products always strive to provide you with the most reliable companionship. A perfect sales and after-sales service system built by customers from over 100 countries around the world, over 2,000 agents, and over 80,000 terminal sales points. We work together with numerous partners to provide you with fast, convenient, stable and reliable services. The dream of green energy never stops striving for excellence in the manufacturing field. We are constantly striving for your journey. Provide stable guarantee for your product use. We inject energy into your dreams, transforming the world with high-quality batteries and creating a better life. Xupai. Light up a bright future with you.